Morning, all of you. This is Abhijeet here once again, back with our everyday segment 10 a.m. market update. So, of course, it's not still 10 a.m., it's 9:45 a.m. and market is showing some kind of a pressure. You can see, of course, we have some long positions. We'll just wait for that. We had kept a notional stop loss of 26,070 around levels, which is the 20 DMA for Nifty. So we'll just wait till that. Maybe mm, we'll just wait for around that point. You can see the first hour showing you a big red candle, which is absolutely not looking very good. But yeah, we cannot deny the fact that the index is in a strong uptrend, so we can just wait for some time. This is we are not in a condition where we need to be worried a lot about it. So, and of course, if you have been reading our commentary, then you will clearly understand. We have already mentioned it there. And those who don't know about our commentary, you can find the link of the Telegram channel where we send everyday commentary. We have been doing that for around 7 years now, where we send the everyday commentary without fail. So we try to give the guidance. So you can see this line where which we had drawn yesterday itself, and Nifty is finding support around that level, 26,100. That was the reason why I had kept the stop loss around that region. So main culprit for that, if you see, is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is finding some kind of a selling pressure. It has uh, gone into some kind of a bear market kind of thing. So if you see, it has also gone below the 200 SMA, and that is the reason why it is seeing selling pressure. So this might be the final support, 940 around that, or even for today, this could be a good support. This could be a good support. Today's bottom, this is a good support for today also. So let us see if we find some respite in the HDFC Bank at this level, because if HDFC Bank sustains, then definitely you are going to get good returns here. Um, and history has always told that whenever HDFC Bank comes around these 200 DMA levels, you see a good bounce. So nothing too much get worried of in HDFC Bank. There is no demon uh, in this. So just keep patience. This is for the people who are long-term investors in this. As far as Nifty is concerned, I'll just show you that Nifty might just be approaching the 20 DMA. So we'll just wait for that. We'll just wait, and 20 DMA or the hourly 200 SMA. So even we are good to go. We are cool till we reach that level. So don't get worried. Once this gets breaches, then only we need to sleep over it. Otherwise, just keep patience, and that is why we have taken an expiry of 20th January, which is like around 2 weeks from now. So it is giving it enough time to play out, right? So nothing to get worried a lot. If something has to be, if I find something which has to be worried about, then I'll definitely update here and as well as in the group. Till that time, just wait patiently. We'll update. And then we have Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you can see, this had to happen because again, primarily all this pullback, it's happening because of HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank is a major component of Bank Nifty. If you understand Bank Nifty, uh, HDFC Bank is having close to around 35% holding into that. Okay, if you look at Nifty, HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank has been the reason why Nifty is down by close to 40 points, right? So 40 points alone in Nifty has been caused because of HDFC. So 40 points is something like we would have been at a level of 150, 160 right now if had it not been for HDFC Bank. And if you see, yesterday we were discussing about ICICI Bank also. So ICICI Bank once again momentum continuing. Yesterday also we had discussed that as it might happen that ICICI Bank can close near day's high, and that happened. Today also the momentum is continuing. So we'll just see at some point of time this momentum might stop and the momentum might move to HDFC Bank. Of course, there is money moving in between them. You can see HDFC Bank is giving you a pullback. So let's just wait what it's trying to do. Let's see what Sensex is. Sensex might just be more impacted. No, Sensex has found some support. You can see it here, the trend line that we had drawn, and Sensex has taken support at the bottom of this trend line. And as we say, एक बार और भी बोला था इसको that this kind of a candle we call this as pin bar जो so this pin bar is a good sign. So let's just see why it's or when it stops. Till that time, just we need to keep some patience. And IT is definitely looking good. We have definitely discussed that. So I'll go to Nifty IT and I'll show you there. Nifty IT, you can see some traction is happening here, and we'll move to the daily chart. So daily chart, after this good impulse on the upside and then finding resistance here, if today we have a decent closing in Nifty IT, then after Nifty Pharma, of course, we have been trading for a couple of days now. So if we have a strong closing in Nifty IT, definitely next few days could be good. And Nifty IT, when we are talking, TCS will be the one. So TCS today, it's very important. Once again, you can see we are using 200 SMA, and all I am expecting today is a close above 200 SMA. Once that happens today, you can definitely expect a good upswing in this index in next few days. So let's just keep patience. Infosys is also doing good, but again, as I said, all of you, that this we need one more strong closing on Nifty IT before we take any position. So I don't think we are just yet ready for taking any position in Nifty IT. You look at this red candle of Infosys. Infosys, you can see the open was 1637 and high was 1637. So very clearly, if you are looking for any kind of position in Infosys, it should come above 1637, 1640 kind of levels. Till that time, you do not get above that. I would suggest all of you to keep patience and don't chase anything in Infosys. Above 1640, it gets into a very good shape to get, right? So we'll just wait for that. Okay. Once again, we'll have a look at Nifty. We'll come back to that 15 minutes chart. We are not going. So as per Nifty 15 minutes chart, we need a sustenance above 126 level. This is the level now which we might just be looking at. So now next time once we start to go above that and sustain above this 126 level, it could be good for the index in the intraday perspective. As of now, we are just holding the long position. The low for today is 26096. So just it has hit our stop loss, but it has hitting the stop loss is again a very tricky thing. If you understand, at times it might just touch and go. So you need to wait. You need to wait for your price to sustain below that level. So if you see 26,100, even a 15-minute candle has not closed below that. So sometimes the move is just about hunting down your stop loss, taking you out of the market before the market moves. So sometimes you just need to wait, have patience. Of course, if you are losing 50 rupees in the option, another 5 10 rupees ain't gonna matter much. But keeping some patience might help you from stop loss hunting. So that is why you just wait and we will see. We, of course, we have 13 14 days before the option plays out. So till that time, we'll just sit and wait. And once again, I can see some movement in TCS. I just got a look at the price. So you can see TCS, it is sustaining. So once we sustain above this today, one strong closing today, and we are going to get good moves into this. The first stock that we discussed today was Glenmark. Glenmark, of course, it gave a good impulse the moment it opened, and it gave 20 30 rupees move immediately. So no point hanging into it for a long time. So once again coming back to निफ्टी निफ्टी देखते हैं फिर से निफ्टी जब तक ऑफ कोर्स बाकी के स्टॉक्स हम लोग इसीलिए देख रहे थे थोड़ा निफ्टी को भी सांस लेने की फुर्सत देते हैं तो आप देख सकते हो निफ्टी बैक अबव दैट लेवल सो किस तरह से अच्छे से आपके स्टॉप लॉस को टच करके आ गया वापस another if it sustains above this level for another 5 or 10 minutes you can definitely see some good traction and major move could come only above 26,180 200 kind of levels तो तब तक के लिए बस सिर्फ पेशेंस रख के बैठे परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है राइट चलो मिलते हैं फिर थोड़ी देर बाद बाय बाय चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें